Your vehicle may be equipped with a convenient feature that helps line up your trailer when maneuvering in reverse. It's called Trailer Reverse Guidance. Let me tell you how to use it. Once you've input the correct measurements and placed the sticker as explained in the How to Set Up video, when you shift into reverse, press the camera button to expand the menu options on the display screen. Then press the trailer icon and select the trailer you want. You'll then see the camera view on the side where your trailer is moving, or both sides when the trailer is directly behind you. Auto mode, which is the default mode, changes views with the trailer direction. If you turn the trailer to the right, you'll see the right side of your vehicle and trailer, and vice versa. You can switch views manually at any time by using the arrow keys. Either full driver, partial driver, 50/50, partial passenger, or full passenger. Pressing the camera icon takes you to normal rear view, which allows you to see your trailer hitch or what is directly behind your truck. Pressing the plus button zooms in. Pressing the return or back button takes you back to the 360-degree camera system, and auto returns you to automatic view mode. Here are a few more things you'll need to know when using the feature. After setting up and selecting a trailer, the display always shows you a small top view representation of your truck and trailer. You'll also see two different colored lines. A black line shows you where your trailer is in relation to your vehicle, and a white line gives you a projection of where your trailer will go based on your current steering wheel position. As you turn the wheel, you'll see two zones, yellow and red. Yellow being a caution alert that warns you of a potential jackknife position, and red signaling that you need to stop, pull forward, and put the truck and trailer back into an inline position. One more thing. When using the straight backup mode, a steering wheel graphic shows you which way to turn your steering wheel to keep your trailer straight.